Hey, what is up guys? Thanks for jumping here back again. Today we're going to be talking about Cardano preparation for a milestone. So if you guys like the content, make sure to leave the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. What we said before is that ADA isn't really performing well lately, and it's not even outperforming Bitcoin, which is the safest bet. So we can't even talk about a bull market for ADA in 2021 when its price has moved up by 70% in the last 10 months or so. Look at this. The price has moved by 70 to 80% in the last 10 months. And I mean, what's a 70% move to the upside in a year in the crypto space? And we kept saying that ADA will most likely keep its sideways movement coming into 2022. Now, ADA has done incredibly well back in 2020, but claiming that ADA is having a bull market in 2022 isn't real. And I'm not the one claiming this. It's obvious in the charts and in the data. Now, historically speaking, ADA performs quite the same way as Ethereum. It tends to go up against both the US dollar and Bitcoin in December as well as Q1 of each year. And you can see it here. For example, back in 2020, 2021, we had this sideways movement, sideways pressure at the end of the year. And in December, as well as in the beginning of Q1 of that year, we went up, we had this rally. Same thing back in 2019, 2020. So sideways movement, downward pressure, and then in January, end of December, January, we had this good move of what, 136% move to the upside. Same thing back in 2018, 2019. Now, ADA won't be able to do this on its own. Of course, we need some backup from Bitcoin. So the only way for us to move to the upside, the only way for us to have another milestone is if Bitcoin stabilizes. That's the minimum we can ask for. Bitcoin needs to stay healthy in order for us to rally. And what does healthy mean? It means that Bitcoin needs to stay above the 21 weeks EMA. If Bitcoin continues its downtrend, if Bitcoin continues to bleed, then we can't expect ADA blindly to reach a new all-time high and to break it. If history is any indicator, a positive scenario would be if we trend up now in December, coming in December and in Q1 of this year, of 2022 I mean, and a more pessimistic, a more negative scenario would be if Bitcoin bleeds, if Bitcoin keeps going down, if the downward pressure with Bitcoin continues, we're gonna go up, but it may take a longer time. So it would be something like this. So either way, I'm bullish on Cardano on the macro scale. I'm positive coming into Q1 of 2022. Now, I also think we should take a look at ADA against Bitcoin since it's important. And as we can see, we have been holding this line for a while now. We have been holding this line for about 6 months. So we've held it here. It was a huge resistance. Then it was a support here, and a support here. So, I mean a resistance here, I'm sorry. Now, as I said, if Bitcoin is going to be volatile, moving up and down quickly, then things won't be decent for ADA. We know that historically speaking, when Bitcoin is volatile, when Bitcoin is moving fast, altcoins don't perform well. In order for us to go up, to break the all-time high, and to have this decent move to the upside and to create a new all-time high, Bitcoin needs to at least stabilize and stay at its levels, of course, above the 21 weeks EMA as said. The big picture, ADA Bitcoin has been going down in the last 6 months. It hasn't been that good. So we've been down, what, 47% as of today against Bitcoin. That's massive, to be honest. And ADA USD hasn't been that good lately whatsoever too. But now is the time, guys. Now it's the time to see if ADA can make it back into the race. So this was about it, guys. I just wanted to wrap it up. Make sure to subscribe and leave the video a like if you liked it. Thanks.